Hello friends, good day to you all in your respective places across the world. It's another beautiful day in the world of cryptocurrency. I welcome you all to Lasogenic Stock today. Here in Lasogenic Stock, I make research on online investment opportunities so that you can earn without having any glitch, so that you can know what you really want to venture into before you start. And also, I make research on cryptocurrency and forex. So I bring you some little some ways whereby I personally have been making money online, so that you too you can benefit from them. Okay, right here on my screen is a pause. Is a pause Telegram crypto project that is trending right now across the world. There are several things that we need to know and that we need to do, but because it will be somehow unfortunate by the time this coin is being listed, and many will be disappointed because they don't do the needful. But I will be sharing with you what you need to do to know to so that you be qualified for this airdrop by the time it's been listed. But before I go further, if you are joining me for the first time, welcome to Lasogenic Stock once again. You need to subscribe to this channel and click on the notification bell, set it to notification so that you'll be continually aware whenever I upload new video. And if after you've watched this video or any content on Lasogenic Stock, you found it to be very meaningful and useful, please do not hesitate to like and share with your friends and family. Give it the widest publicity that you think it really deserves. All right, back to the business of the day. I want to share with you some knowledge about pause. You need to know something about pause. It's not about tapping alone, it's not about doing the task alone, but you need to know if you are qualified for the token, if you are eligible. So you need to know your eligibility status. It is very important. So the first eligibility uh, uh, check that you need to do is your wallet. There are two wallets on Pulse. We have the Tone wallet and we have the Solano wallet. But many people, they are just after connecting the Tone wallet, so they will neglect the Solana wallet. But I want to tell you confidently that if you fail to connect your Solana wallet, you are wrong, and you may not get the airdrop by the time it's been distributed. So what you need to do first is that you need to download Phantom Wallet. You need to download Phantom Wallet. So just go to Google Play Store or your App Store, depending on the device that you are using. Download Phantom Wallet, and then you can now link it up. So by the time you want to link your Solana wallet, just click on, you know how to connect your Ton wallet. So you can now connect it as well with your Phantom wallet. So the Solana address will automatically, it will get synchronized here. So it will get synchronized here. So that is the first thing that you need to do. Now, then the second thing is that just check your eligibility status. Let's go there. So visit website and click on on your chosen browser. I like Chrome. So let's just see what we have there. Okay. So pause community. So verify yourself. This should be automatically done. Okay, as you can see, it's been done. So now you can see right here that both the Tone wallet and the Solana wallet has been connected. This is the web version, web page. All right, so let's go back. So now for you to know your status, your eligibility status, just click on this three line here. This is the menu button. Click on it. By the time you have clicked on it, you are going to see dashboard, claim, and pre-market. So click on the claim. So when you click on the claim, it will bring you down to this page. You can see verify on website. For you to be verified on website, then you need to link your Ton and your Solana wallet. Is very important. Then the second one says complete 30 cases or invite 30 users before 30th of December. 30 cases has been completed. So 30 cases, they are the task that you need to do. Maybe follow their Telegram community, or follow them on X or Twitter, or on their other social media, or any of the tasks that you're asked to do. You must have done up to 30. So that is the second requirement. Then this safe for Grinch, this one is best understood by them. And also the activity check. All the activities that we are doing in the task, the tapping, they are being checked. So these are the requirements, and this one also they were recommended. 0 out of 3 is being done by me. Voting badge, you need to make a payment for this voting badge. So the supporter will cost you 0.1 ton, dolphin 3 ton, whale 50 ton, goat 100 ton. So if you can go for that, fine. Then explore ton. So this one will give you W pause. You need to make a payment as well. And also the total number of tokens that you've acquired. Right now I've acquired 63,612 has been acquired. Okay, so now just click on next. So by the time you click on next, you are going to come to this page which says congratulations, you are eligible for the Paws Airdrop. So that is how to get it done. It's very important, very important. So you just need to know your eligibility status to know if you will be qualified for the airdrop. So if you have not done that, just go back to your Paws Airdrop page now and start doing the necessary things so that you won't be disappointed by the time it's been listed. Alright, thanks so much for watching this video. This is where I'm going to stop for today. If you have any question concerning this video, you can just chat me up on WhatsApp or send your message through the comment box of this video. Till the next video, I will meet me in the next video. Till then, have a lovely day ahead and bye for now. I love you all.